Hey, what's up everyone, I'm ROOMYAN and welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how we can stream video on NextJs or ReactJs application using AWS. We will be using Amazon S3 and Cloudfront. So let's get into it. I assume that you have the AWS account. If you don't, create one. This tutorial won't cost any money. So if you have the AWS account, come to AWS console. First of all, search for S3 and click on it. This is Amazon S3 dashboard. Here what you need to do is create a bucket. Give any name to the bucket. Then select the region. You can choose the nearest one to your location. Rest you can keep all as default, especially block all public access. It will prevent any public users from accessing your bucket. As we don't want anyone to see our bucket, it may contain private files. Then click on create bucket. So we have successfully created the bucket. Now we will upload video that we want to stream on our app. So go to the bucket we just created. Click on upload. Then add file. I will drag the file here. Then click on upload. So our video has been successfully uploaded to our S3 bucket. Now what we would do next is configure Cloudfront so that we can stream this video in our application. For that, search for Cloudfront, click on it. Next click on create distribution. Give the name of your choosing. On origin access, click on origin access control settings. Click on create control setting. Here you can give the name of your choosing to. Click create. It says you must update the S3 bucket policy, which we will do in a while. Next we want to redirect HTTP to HTTPS. Besides, there are lots of other settings you can play on. For now I will leave it as default and create distribution. Alright, so we have successfully created new distribution. Now since it is deploying, we have to wait until it is deployed. Alright, so it has been deployed. You can see the last modified date, which means our Cloudfront distribution is live to the internet. Now if you go back to the S3 console, and back to the bucket we created, click on the video we uploaded. You can also change the name of the video from here. I'll just make it video instead of video.mp4. Now back to the bucket, click on permission tab. Down here on bucket policy, we need to update the policy. From the Cloudfront, click on copy policy. Then back here, click on edit and paste. Then save changes. Okay, cool. Now back here on Cloudfront, copy the domain name, paste it on the search bar and add /video, which is the key of our video by the way. If you click on the video you uploaded, you can see the key. So replace with / and key of your video. Then boom, we can access our video through this URL. So we are done with S3 and Cloudfront. Now we need to stream this video through NextJs and ReactJs app. So let's get into that part. Head to the directory where you want to create the application. Open the terminal and type npx create next app at latest, and we will be using TypeScript tag at the end. Give the name to your app. I'll be back when it is completed. Okay, so it has been completed. I'll go to the directory and open VS Code. Now we are in the VS Code. Let's run this NextJs app to see if everything is okay. For that, go to the terminal and type npm run dev. So it is all working fine. Now for streaming our video, we will be using React Player. So let's install it. Stop the server and type npm install React Player. Now back to the VS Code. Under index.tsx, we need to code here so that we can stream our video. For that, we will make use of useState and useEffect hooks from React. So first let's import them. Now below the function, let's define it. For the URL, let's copy the video URL. Okay, now we can include the video. Let's create a div container and put the video over here. You can do the styling and positioning all as you want. Now let's run the server again. Okay, so here we have the video. We have successfully streamed our video on our NextJs app. Cool. Now similarly, we can also stream it on React app. Let's create the React app first. npx create React app, and I will give the name React app YT. First, let's see if everything is okay. On terminal, type npm start. Yeah, everything is okay. Now let's install React Player and do the same we did it on NextJs app. Go to app.js, import useState useEffect from React. Now below the function, let's define it. We can remove this any since we are not using TypeScript. Then somewhere over here, let's put the video. Now let's run the server. So we have successfully streamed the video on React app too. And so today's learning end here. We have successfully set up Amazon S3 and Cloudfront, then streamed the video on the NextJs and ReactJs app. I hope you learned something new today, and with that being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video.